HiiT30 in your knee, and then it's sort of pretty directly over the center line of the pedal. If it isn't, simply slide your seat back or forward to adjust. Check the other side, in case you're lopsided. Pedal away and just feel that your hips aren't rocking. You don't want them rocking too much, it's no good for your lower back. Feel comfortable up here. The next adjustment in the handlebars, just at a good height. And if it's too far forward, slide it back so you sit up a little bit more upright. The fitter you get, the more comfortable you feel. And if you went outside, you might start to go forward and down and out of the wind. Aerodynamic. Yeah. Cool. That's the adjustments. To adjust our resistance and get more of a workout today, or like at the gym, put weights on, put some resistance on, slowing my legs down. It's not too heavy, but it'll invite me to stand. Just come forward, have a stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you've got it just right, you should be able to lean into it like a pendulum and just sway side to side. 1, 2, 3. Taha kite taha. 6, 7. Waru, iwa, te kau. Ka wani ke. 1, 2, walk it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, come with you, take some off, we're good to go. Cruising. That's good music. I like that music. Sister Sledge, he's the greatest dancer. It's 1:45. How far? Ki te ono. Time to start. I'll turn this down and turn this up. See you out there. Help me ride today. And thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. Here we go. Awesome. Ka rongo au ki te hau. You can hear that wind or that breath when I was heavy breathing the other day, but eventually you get your hau ora. Ka rongo au ki te wai, to the water, but tāne te wai ora. It's the experiences outside in the sunlight and with the light and vitality. Let's go e te whare. Three times round. We've already won just by getting up. Good. So we find that rhythm. Whakarongo ki te taki. Whakarongo ki te taki. Can you hear that beat? Kawane ke. Whakamiharo ana. Absolutely superb. On the beat. Wai wai takahia. Ka pai koutou. Thanks for sticking with me. Okay, let's slow that down. Take it easy. Rest, recover. Just away slowly. Allure your senses, your body, take a turn. Other way. We're going to repeat that. We're going to come on down. Come on down with me. Kei raro. Let's see if we can match that beat with the wai wai. These are our drumsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure they're in. Line them in. Hip, leg, knee alignment. Nice and light up top. Engage the core. I've got one in there somewhere. Ata haere. Just walk away. Spray and walk away. Nice swing, stay with it.